In this video, I'm going to show you how to modify a trade on TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, first you must have a trade active, so an active position. Now, I'm going to just create a random buy order over here on my demo account. There we go. And then whenever you have it, if you want to modify it, go ahead and find your position down here under positions. You want to go to the very far right, where under actions, you will see, you can see this pen icon. And when you hover over it, it's going to say edit position. Now, to modify the trade, click on that, and then over here you can basically set whatever you want here on the right hand side. And in case you have any stop losses and take profits, you can slide that up or down on the chart over here on the left as well. And of course, after you are ready, you can click on confirm, or if you don't want to change it, click on discard. And after that, you've successfully modified your position as it says at the top over here. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.